Okay, so Alan, this is a test run and it's a draft, and we'll make corrections. So this is one for you to review, and I want your feedback, and then we'll do a final tomorrow. Well, thank you. I appreciate such kind words, and with this group of project managers, such a warm welcome. You know, PM Solutions has the privilege to partner with Bayer to assess and improve enterprise project management capabilities for the new One IT. And over several months, our team of Gary Carlson and Joe M2U00013 did a bunch of work with you and for you. We evaluated Bayer's project and portfolio management maturity using PM Solutions' project management maturity model. We assessed Bayer's project management governance structures and organizational practices, conducted interviews with the leadership team and with many of you. We reviewed existing processes, methodologies, documentation, project and portfolio management tools and artifacts, determined Bayer's readiness for change as an organization. We identified gaps between current state capabilities, targeted future state capabilities, and compared those against global best practices. As a result, we established a roadmap containing recommendations for improvement. But with that, there's a plan, and there's a cost to this. So we wanted to estimate what Bayer's internal and external costs of implementing this proposed maturity improvement roadmap is all about, and also provide the value proposition based on data from our research. Well, as you can imagine with all this, we did not do this by ourselves. The Bayer core team consisted of several folks that were active participants. Mohammed El Ashmawi, Martin Schroeder, Guido Dressbach, Julia Metz, Thomas Darscheid, and Christopher Bachman. And the core team's role was indispensable in the success of this assessment. Of course, they didn't escape our interviews, but they were involved with kickoff and status reviews, kickoff meeting and status reviews, and quite a bit of interpretation, translation, analysis, and fact-finding. Of course, the core team were sources of key and critical insight. And they're individually and collectively very likely to continue involvement as we enhance, build, and deploy the One IT project and portfolio management initiative. So what were the results of this assessment? Well, you'll get more detail as you continue on in this meeting and this discussion, but there were 5 target areas that were involved around our recommendations. We wanted first to make sure Bayer One IT is prepared for an organizational change initiative, because this is a change in how you do business. Governance must be enhanced around project and portfolio management. Establishment of project portfolio management itself is a key initiative as well as building a performance measurement system and developing a resource optimization capability. Well, what's all this mean? Well, within organizational change, an enterprise PMO is going to be part of the answer of that. And also, we're looking at establishing a project management and delivery job family. Governance includes truly defining the project management methodology, but also consolidating, enhancing, and enforcing existing IT governance. The portfolio management piece is establishment of a One IT portfolio governance body. Performance measurement means that we'll define the project and portfolio performance metrics. And from a resource optimization perspective, we will be implementing a centralized resource management and assignment process. So with all this, the road ahead for Bayer One IT is a lot of fun, and it'll be some work for all of us. On 24 September, the IT committee approved the next phases of the PM3 project. Soon after the new IT leadership team is fully known, we expect the project to be chartered and a Bayer project team assembled to execute the plan. So what does this roadmap look like? Well, phase 1 focuses on defining the project management methodology, essentially picking the best of what Bayer currently has and enhancing it to a world-class capability. Phase 2 establishes the One IT project portfolio process, governance metrics around the portfolio, and an integrated organizational resource management capability. Phase 3 implements a One IT enterprise PMO to integrate these processes and serve as process and capability center of excellence, and also a project portfolio management data center. So some things I'd like to leave behind as you start talking about what's happening, and as you share what's going on with this One IT initiative. One thing I want you to remember is this is an organizational change initiative. It changes the facets of how you do your everyday life. It will take time, but in addition, it will create opportunity, and in the end, it'll provide tremendous organizational improvements to Bayer One IT. PM Solutions is excited to be a partner in assisting Bayer in implementing this roadmap, and we look forward to continuing to connect with each of you. Well, you know what? It seems like I forgot a team member in the PM3 project. Well, how can I forget the project manager? Maybe I need to add visionary, facilitator, communicator, expectation manager, change agent, politician, coordinator, manager, value creator, implementer. I did just describe an outstanding project manager, didn't I? Well, I'm excited to introduce the project manager of the PM3 initiative. One who can teach the subject of project management, but this is also one who is a wonderful example of an effective project management practitioner. Please join me in welcoming the project manager of the Bayer One IT PM3 initiative, Alan Geis.